If you woke up this morning feeling heavy, blocked, emotionally tired even before your day has begun, this video is for you. Maybe nothing bad has happened today, and yet your heart feels full, your mind feels crowded, and your energy feels off. And the truth is, sometimes that heaviness is not about this moment. It's the emotional residue of what you have been carrying. That is stress, unspoken pain, fear, pressure, disappointment, or simply too much for too long. So, in the next few minutes, I am going to guide you through a gentle Hope Nope No morning reset to help you release that weight, clear your energy, and return to yourself. Take this moment for you. Let's begin. Before we try to fix anything, let's first understand what may be happening. Sometimes we wake up heavy because yesterday never really left our system. Maybe you had a difficult conversation.
Maybe you went to bed overthinking. Maybe you have been strong for everyone else.
And your body is quietly asking you to slow down. And sometimes it looks like this. You open your eyes and already your chest feels tight. Your thoughts start racing even before your feet touch the floor. You feel irritated, drained, or emotionally distant, and you don't even know why. That does not mean something is wrong with you. It simply means something inside you is asking to be acknowledged, softened, and released. And this is what we are going to do right now. If you can, place one hand on your heart and one hand on your lower belly. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Inhale peace and exhale pressure. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw soften. Let your body know that it is safe to let go. Now we move into Hope Nope No, a beautiful healing practice of release, responsibility, forgiveness, and love. You do not need to force anything here. You do not need to understand every emotion perfectly. Just allow these words to move through you. If you feel heaviness in your chest, in your mind, in your stomach, in your spirit, silently offer these words to that part of yourself. Take a breath in and breathe out and repeat after me silently or softly. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. For the stress I'm still carrying, I'm sorry. For the ways I have been hard on myself, please forgive me. For the lessons this heaviness is showing me, thank you. For the part of me that is still worthy of love while healing, I love you. One more round. To my tired mind, I'm sorry. To my overwhelmed heart, please forgive me. To this new moment of release, thank you. To the light within me that never left, I love you. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Notice what is shifting. Maybe the heaviness has not completely gone yet, and that's okay. Healing does not always happen in one dramatic moment. Sometimes healing begins the second you stop fighting what you feel. Sometimes the first breakthrough is simply this: you paused, you listened, and you chose peace instead of pressure. That matters more than you know. Now let's fill that space gently with something new. Repeat after me. I release what is not mine to carry. I do not need to begin this day in survival mode. I am allowed to feel calm, clear, and supported. I choose inner peace over pressure. I trust myself to move through today with grace. My energy is clearing. My heart is softening. My mind is becoming still. I welcome clarity. I welcome ease. Now imagine yourself moving through rest of this day feeling lighter. Imagine answering to life instead of reacting to it. Imagine speaking more gently to yourself. Imagine walking into your day with steadiness. Imagine peace leading you instead of pressure. Take one deep final breath in and exhale. You are here, you are safe, you are already returning to yourself. If this practice helped you, let this be your reminder that you do not have to carry emotional heaviness alone. And if this is something you have been feeling often, waking up burdened, blocked, or disconnected, then it may be time to go deeper and clear patterns underneath it. This is the work I support people with. So if this resonated with you, share in the comment, I choose peace today. And if you are ready for deeper healing, clarity, and emotional release, you can connect with me for a clarity call. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Heal with Mansi for more healing practices. I will see you in the next video.